In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export clients from your dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly pull a clean client list for reporting, backups, or sharing with your team. First, make sure you're already inside the area of your workspace where your client records live. The interface we're using keeps things simple, so you won't need to sift through complicated menus. We'll focus on 3 quick actions, and I'll give you helpful context along the way. Start by navigating to Clients. You'll usually find this on the main navigation bar or sidebar, clearly labeled. When you open it, you should see your full client list or whatever view you last used. If your organization has multiple locations or teams, confirm you're looking at the correct view so the export includes the right records. Next, look to the upper right of the client's page for the More Actions button. This is typically represented by 3 dots, a caret, or a small drop-down control. It's designed to hold administrative options that you don't need every day but are essential for tasks like exporting. Clicking it will reveal a short menu of actions relevant to the page you're on. From that menu, select Export Clients. As soon as you do, the system will prepare your client data for download. Depending on the size of your list, this may take a moment. Stay on the page until the export begins to ensure it completes successfully. After you trigger the export, your browser will usually start downloading a file automatically to your default downloads folder. If your organization has set a preferred format, the export will follow that standard, making it easy to use the file in spreadsheets or other tools. If you work with very large data sets, it's normal for the file to be a bit bigger and take longer to process. If you don't see the Export Clients option, you might be viewing a limited role or a read-only environment. In that case, check with your administrator about permissions. Also, make sure your browser isn't blocking downloads and that you're not zoomed in so far that the More Actions button is pushed off screen. Once your export finishes, handle the file securely. Client data is sensitive, so store it in an approved location and restrict access to those who need it. When you open the file later, verify the columns and row count match what you expect so you can trust the data. That's it. Click on Clients, open More Actions in the upper right, and choose Export Clients. Thanks for watching and happy